Hey, and welcome back to another video from my eBay cheapest playlist, eBay, Macari, OfferUp, whatever. The cheapest playlist, basically the playlist of videos where I showcase the cheapest of a certain device that I could find online on any website, Facebook Marketplace, Macari, OfferUp, mostly eBay as well. It's usually mostly on eBay, but OfferUp and Facebook also have some really good deals. Macari, it's hit or miss, but yeah. So what I have for you here in this video is a Nokia Lumia 920, the cheapest Lumia 920 that I could find online, and this is the price here. It was about $6.72 or something like that. I've never seen one for that cheap. Like, mostly ones with destroyed screens are also in like the $20 range. This one apparently works, but it has a crack here, as you can see there, and someone has pasted a sticker. This is from a seller that I bought before a lot of phones. As a matter of fact, my other one here, the Lumia 920 that I've showcased in a lot of my videos, as a matter of fact, this may be also from the same seller, but I could be wrong. But this was about, I don't know, $12, $15. I got it. No, how much did I pay for this thing? I can't really remember. It was a while back, but yeah, that works and that's good to go. It's the battery is probably dead. I tried to turn it on. It didn't really turn on, so I have to charge it later. But anyway, this one is the red one, as you can see here. And in the photos, it looked orange. Let me bring that photo back up. As you can see, it looked orange. I was like, what's this orange? Is it like a replacement cover? But then the light, I then thought, okay, it's probably the lighting in the seller's shop or whatever. So yeah, let's try and power this thing on. So it does power on, Nokia logo. Also, as usual, before we jump right into the rest of the video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below on the like button, so it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. And now let's basically see what's up with this phone, and yeah. So as you saw there, it did turn on, so that's good. I want to kind of take this off and see what the damage is really like. So there's a lot of damage on the side there. Is it severe? It's definitely not surface. It's gone through. And there are pieces of missing glass there. The glass has actually kind of lifted up, but let's leave it like that for me. It's not too bad, honestly, but I see why the seller had put the tape there. It's because the glass is, I think it just wants to fall off. But yeah, I'll put a better piece of tape on it later. But yeah, it seems to work fine. The display turns on, everything works fine. I'll go ahead and set it up and be right back. Alright, so I set it up and I've been using it for a while, and from what I can tell, it works just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. The touch works, all the settings and stuff work, and it is running. Let me check here. I haven't really checked about phone. Where is that? Where's about? There we go. So it's probably, nope, not update. About, there we go. So Lumia 920, it's running 8.1, so probably the last update that it got, and the touchscreen, everything works just fine. Let's see if I can change the theme. Let's put extra tiles, of course. We'll see, you can choose a background photo, backgrounds, your classical backgrounds. Let's select the leaves, kind of like that. Do that, and we can select whether, wait, oh no, that's a Windows 10 thing, to select whether you want the tile background or the background. That's Windows Phone 10. This is just Windows Phone. So yeah, as you can see, it's in the background of the tiles. In 10 you can actually have it as a actual background and have the tiles a different color. But in this, you can only have the tiles as the background. Let's see. Yeah, you don't have that feature here. So background dark or light. and we have already put show more tiles there, so we can go ahead and do, come on, get bigger. Yeah, that's because I'm wearing gloves. There we go. So yeah, the True Tone, not True Tone, what was it? What was Nokia's? Oh, Clear Black. Nokia Clear Black display. The display looks just fine. The color, hit the camera there. The colors are perfectly fine. There's no, I mean, it is an LCD. It's not an AMOLED like the Lumia 900. In some terms, the Lumia 900 slightly had better blacks, but the LCD technology on the Lumia 920 was far superior to the AMOLED technology on the 900. So that's why Nokia selected the 920 to use a LCD instead of an AMOLED, because and it actually did a better job than the 900's AMOLED display. But some people were just saying, oh, because it's an AMOLED, it's probably inferior. No, that was not the case. This LCD was probably the best LCD when it was released in what, 2012, 2013, I forgot when this thing was. I'll put it up there. The best LCD of that year on any phone. The clear black display technology, they did a really good job with it, and it was the phone to have at the time if you wanted Windows Phone. And yeah, it has an amazing camera, and you've seen the videos I've done on this. If not, just go to my channel, hit Lumia 920 in the search bar. There's a pile of videos that I've done on that one over there. But yeah, this one seems to be holding a charge as well. It seems to be good to go. It's connected to Wi-Fi. I really cannot find anything wrong with it apparent from that. I was when I saw this, I thought, okay, this is gonna make a decent repair video, but then the seller had not mentioned it actually being broken or anything like that. So why am I using the tap? We have a shutter button. There we go. So I actually thought, okay, this is gonna be a decent repair video, but then the seller had not mentioned that was broken in the description, so I assumed it was working, and he had just said the only defect was the crack. So yeah, it was supposed to be the only defect, and it is the only defect. So yeah, it is as described. One of my trusted sellers that I buy a lot of phones from. Pretty sure this was also from him, but there's nothing wrong with this phone as far as I remember. I think it had a software issue though. I think it had a software issue. I can't remember that. I bought this phone about 2 years ago. But yeah, apart from that, it is a Lumia 920 in red. It looks really nice. It has a bit of scuffing over there, as you can see, but apart from that, it's a red Lumia 920. What else can I say? This was just one of those introduction videos. Am I going to cover this separately in the future? Maybe. Am I going to replace the glass? No, it's not worth it. It works fine. Because if I replace the glass, I have to replace the LCD. And if I replace the LCD, it's not going to be the high quality Nokia LCD. It's going to be a third party piece of crap. Plus, there's nothing. This crack here is not really bothering me. I use an iPad with a huge crack on the daily. Let me show you that. If you see there, I use that this iPad for my schoolwork with the Apple Pencil and stuff, with a huge crack over there, as you can see there. But it's not over the LCD to a large amount, so it doesn't really bother me. So this is not really gonna bother me at all, because I'm not gonna use this thing anyway. But yeah, cheapest Lumia 920 on eBay, probably the cheapest I've seen overall. I'm not counting auctions and stuff. Probably one went for like $2 or something. That's always a possibility on eBay for the stuff that I've seen. I've personally got stuff for extremely unusually low prices myself. For example, the Sony Ericsson M600i that I got recently for like $16 or something. I did a video on it over here. Usually this phone goes for an excess of $50 to $60. I got it for $16 because I was the only person on that auction. But yeah, stuff like that happens, so I can imagine one went for cheaper. But buy it now price, I can say safely that this was the cheapest at $6.67 or whatever. But yeah, that was just a quick video on the cheapest Lumia 920 that I could find on eBay. So as usual, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification button, and check out my social media down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.